Meet the Dream Chaser spaceplane, a revolutionary craft designed by Sierra Space, gearing up for its maiden flight to the International Space Station. But this is more than just a space mission. It's a game changer for the future of space exploration and commercial aerospace. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about Dream Chaser, why it's so groundbreaking, how NASA and Sierra Space are preparing for its flight, and what it means for the future of space travel. So, without further ado, let's get started. The Dream Chaser is not your average spacecraft. Unlike traditional rockets or capsules, it's a reusable spaceplane that lands on runways just like a regular airplane. Designed by Sierra Space, it's compact, sleek, and incredibly versatile. First, let's talk design. Dream Chaser combines cutting-edge aerodynamics with state-of-the-art technology. Its reusable nature means lower costs for future missions, which is a huge step toward making space travel more sustainable. Unlike cargo capsules that splash down in oceans, this spacecraft can land gently on runways, allowing quicker access to its payload and minimizing recovery time. This feature makes it ideal for sensitive scientific experiments returning from space. Second, this spacecraft's role in NASA's Commercial Resupply Services (CRS) program is pivotal. It's tasked with delivering cargo to the ISS, up to 12,000 pounds per mission, while also bringing items safely back to Earth. This capability ensures the ISS remains well-stocked and allows for the safe return of critical research materials. Its compact design allows it to fit inside existing rockets like the Vulcan Centaur, which will carry it on its maiden flight. This adaptability ensures compatibility with a wide range of launch systems, making it a reliable option for diverse missions. Dream Chaser's potential isn't just limited to ISS resupply. It's also being eyed for future low Earth orbit, LEO, missions, commercial research, and even space tourism. Simulations are at the heart of these preparations. Recently, a joint simulation exercise brought together teams from Sierra Space in Colorado and NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. The simulation focused on Dream Chaser's approach to the ISS, where it will be captured using the station's robotic arm, Canadarm2. This process involves precise coordination and flawless execution, with every step rehearsed multiple times to iron out potential issues. What exactly happens in these simulations? Picture a high-stakes rehearsal where every move is choreographed, monitored, and analyzed. Flight controllers practice navigating this spacecraft through various scenarios, including rendezvous, berthing, and detachment. The goal is to ensure that the spaceplane can dock safely with the ISS and return to Earth without a hitch. What makes these simulations even more impressive is their complexity. During a recent run, teams introduced simulated failures to test how they'd handle unexpected challenges. For instance, one scenario involved a simulated loss of ISS attitude control, with Dream Chaser holding position just 38 feet below the station. Despite this curveball, the team successfully completed the mission. This kind of overload training ensures that flight controllers are prepared for high-pressure situations, allowing them to stay calm and make sound decisions in real time. The philosophy driving these efforts is simple yet profound. Train as you fly, fly as you train. By mimicking real-world conditions as closely as possible, teams build confidence and muscle memory. This approach minimizes the risk of errors during the actual mission and ensures the safety of both the ISS crew and the Dream Chaser itself. Another critical aspect of preparation is the spacecraft's final testing. Currently housed at NASA's Space Systems Processing Facility at Kennedy Space Center, this spacecraft is undergoing environmental testing, propulsion system checks, and the application of thermal protection tiles. These steps are crucial for ensuring the spacecraft's performance in the harsh conditions of space and its safe re-entry to Earth. One major aspect of this mission is the growing role of private companies in space missions. Sierra Space's partnership with NASA exemplifies the shift toward a more collaborative approach to space exploration. By leveraging the expertise of private industry, NASA can focus on broader goals like deep space exploration, while still maintaining critical operations in low Earth orbit. This model of public-private partnership is a blueprint for future missions, including those to the Moon and Mars. Additionally, as we said, Dream Chaser is part of a new wave of reusable spacecraft that promise to revolutionize space travel. Reusability reduces costs, increases efficiency, and makes space missions more accessible. Other examples include SpaceX's Falcon 9 rockets and Starship vehicles. Together, these innovations are driving a paradigm shift in how we think about space transportation. A particularly exciting discovery relevant to Dream Chaser is its potential role in space manufacturing and research. For example, Dream Chaser's gentle runway landing capability makes it an excellent choice for transporting delicate materials or biological samples. This could accelerate breakthroughs in fields like pharmaceuticals and material science, where experiments conducted in microgravity yield unique results. Sierra Space has already hinted at utilizing Dream Chaser for specialized missions beyond cargo, highlighting its adaptability. Lastly, this mission underscores the importance of international collaboration in space exploration. The ISS itself is a symbol of what humanity can achieve when nations work together. By contributing to its resupply and expanding its capabilities, Dream Chaser is playing a vital role in maintaining this spirit of cooperation. As we look forward to its maiden flight, Dream Chaser reminds us of the boundless potential of human ingenuity. Whether you're a space enthusiast or simply curious about what's next, this mission is one to watch. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and as always, keep looking up. See you next time.